do. Today we're going to be fishing same little creek we always do, but with the flies that I've been tying recently, which got some pretty good ones. Small ones, some big ones, but we have all faithful. We tied two of those. And I just tied this one for free, for fun, not free. Not sure what exactly it's supposed to resemble. And then the sunken ant fly. This one's pretty cool in my opinion. I like it a lot. Might throw that one on. Might wait for later though. But I think for now we're gonna throw something like this. I forget the name for it, but probably one of my better tied ones. And it's really nice in my opinion. So we're gonna go and take this one off from last time I went. And then tie that one. And then yeah. Here's the current setup. Just a smaller size fly that I tied. Decided to throw it. And then split shot, probably 8 to 10 inches around that. And then the first, all of those flies, the ones I've tied, and then the ones in these pockets right here. So we're going to tie those up. I already have it tied up, and we're going to go fish. It's over, all in here and whatnot. We're going to go fish that and see if we can catch anything. Okay, so the water has risen a significant amount since we've previously been here. About a month or two, probably longer. But all of like from here over there, that used to be above water. You could walk out like right there. But now it's pretty high up, moving a little faster, a little bit murky, but not as bad. You can still kind of see down there. So if we don't get anything, I think I can just try and drift it, and then might even try a high-low rig. If that doesn't work, then we're gonna throw something a little more shiny in there. See if that works. Okay, so we're really just gonna try and see where the fish are. Because right directly in front of me, as you saw, it's a nice deep pocket, but not really sure what's gonna hang out. 'Cause last time there was a bunch of carp and whatnot, decent size, but it's not really what I want. And it looks like there's grass and stuff at the bottom, muck more so. So we're gonna raise that up a little bit. I got a bunch on my floss, so that's not very fun. I think with this darker water, I might have to throw on something a little bit more shiny. And I hate that I can't see through this water. So, and recently, I heard somebody posted that there are smallmouth in here. I have yet. I fished here a handful of times, and I've yet to see any. I haven't seen any nor caught any. I've seen bluegill and whatnot, but besides that, I haven't seen any. So that'd be an interesting catch for today. Casting the rapid areas, fast moving water. Hoping to catch something. Even if I don't catch anything today, I'm still gonna post. I haven't posted an actual long form video in so long. I think I'm gonna need something a little bit more shinier for these people. My split shot keeps getting pushed on further. So with the Darky water puts something shiny on. I have this nice green tip, white flash, and then rabbit hair. I believe that was not 100%. I don't remember. So we're gonna hope that works. See where that gets us. Maybe a bike so they can actually see it now. Just hope and pray. That's all we really can do. I'm gonna go into the second spot. Usually have a decent amount of luck here. Like this little hole right here, all through here, because a nice little pocket, and then over that section, but is heavily overgrown. The bugs fucking everywhere. Looks like other people have been here. There's a little trail right there. There's so many bugs out right now, dude. It's crazy. Absolutely insane. But catch a fish, it'll be worth it. So let's just hope we do, I guess. Make sure y'all can see me and whatnot. Yeah, this fight looks pretty good in the water. I'm gonna hope there's something in this area, because I've always caught something here. Caught some nice ones out of that little pocket right there. And then there's usually some hanging out like right around here. So I don't know, man. Oh, there is one over there. I'm not sure if you can see him. Right there. But yeah. So we're gonna see if we can catch any fish today. Wish me luck. There we go. Go and throw this thing in there. And then since I've actually seen fish in this spot, all fails. Squirmy wormy will prevail. That's kind of catchy. I like that one. I see him in this little. Oh, they're coming up. Damn. This tree's in my way. Not a fan of it. Got a cup of brighter on my fucking wrist, dude. It's not fun. Yeah, I see him over there. So it's like, oh yeah, there we go. Oh, we got one. What's a bluegill? Oh my goodness. We should never caught a bluegill out of here. First for everything, right? Freeze the bluegill. I like him. That was a bad angle. Alrighty. Oh, blue geese. Want these damn trout. That's what I want. Oh, I just seen one follow it. Not sure if it was a bluegill or not though. Okay, so they are in the spots. Good sign. Oh, I think that was a trout. I'm gonna move my leader up, my weight up a little bit. There we go. Might have been too far, who knows? Oh, I missed them. I was watching a different fish while he hit this one. Like, dollar bill's length. Oh, oh my god. I think these are either like really small trout or just bluegill that are picky. Oh, I just seen one come up. Okay, so we might have to go to that high low, but there's no room for me to cast that thing. As I literally just, oh snap! That was that bloop sound you heard. That was my entire rig. Damn. Okay. Okay, so I ended up tying on uh, a green woolly bugger. Because if there's bluegill, they're obviously gonna hit woolly bugger. If bluegill doesn't do that, then that's a mutant bluegill, something like that. But then once I get, oh my god, I just cast it right into a tree. Did I get it back? Yes. We got our woolly bugger back. Works for me. Okay. Try that one more time. But into the water. Works for me. Oh, and we got a follower. Works for me. Oh yeah, bro. I want to get into this deeper area of the pocket right there. So, got a little ant looking thing. I'm gonna try that one. But first, we need our indicator. Mainly for weight. But, yeah, it's really just for weight. Right into the trees. Oh, yeah. Right into the trees again. Like, bro. Just want to cast, bro. Are you fucking serious right now? You might have to get in the water for this one. Okay, yeah. That one. I think I have enough weight to cast this thing. That's what it was. Fix that real quick then. Oh my god. This bluegill just hit that on top water. I want to see if I can point you guys towards it so I can get that on camera for you guys. Not, there we go. Let's see if we can get this bluegill to hit it again. That would be insane. Oh, it's just a horrible cast in general. Alright, try one more time. And right to the trees, of course. At least I get to keep my stuff. Try it again. I'll go into trees. He didn't want that one. Well, he kind of picked at it that time. Wasn't too interested though. Oh my god, dude. Like, my lure are just magnets. Dude, I broke off again. Alright, we're just gonna go to a different spot. Okay, so, new spot finally tied up. I got one of my ties that I flied, and it's these. I personally thought it was pretty cool. It's kind of intricate to tie, so it was one of my most hardest. That's a sentence for word phrase. Ones to tie, so I'm gonna throw it into this little. And my drag up. Little waterfall looking thing right here. See if we can catch anything.